Before using your tool, it is important to make sure you are prepared. Make sure you are not wearing baggy clothing and nothing on you can get caught. You will need a dust mask, safety glasses, and work gloves in order to operate your tool. Clear your workspace of debris before setting up your sander. The setup for each sander is the same. First, take your sandpaper and firmly attach it to the sanding pad so that the corresponding air holes line up properly. Next, attach the Festool vacuum hose to the sander. This helps to keep dust away from the surface you are working on. Once this is complete, plug in both the vacuum and the sander. The first sander we will demonstrate is the Festool geared eccentric sander. This sander has a longer stem used for gripping, which makes it better for rougher surfaces. This sander is good for getting rid of a lot of material at one time. It is often used at the beginning of a project. Make sure to go with the directional rotation of the sander. The second sander we will be demonstrating is the Festool rotary sander. This sander has an additional side grip which allows for use at multiple angles. It can be used on walls, ceilings, as well as flat surfaces. As you use it, maintain a firm grip on both the handle and the top of the sander, but be sure not to press down too hard. The final sander we will be demonstrating is the Festool Random Orbital Sander. This sander is much smaller than the others and does not have any additional grips or handles. It is primarily used for finishing touches. To use, place both hands on top of the sander and hold firmly, pressing down gently to the surface. When you are finished sanding, make sure you clean up your workspace. Be sure you turn off each tool before unplugging them. Wrap up the vacuum and place it underneath the workbench so that the hose does not run the risk of tripping someone. Next, put your sander back in its rightful place in the sanding rack. Congratulations, you are now a sanding expert.